Are you looking for the best Epson scanners? In this video we will look at some of the best Epson scanners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson Workforce S400. The Epson Workforce S400 is an efficient and user-friendly scanner that allows you to get organized quickly. With a scanning speed of up to 35 ppm/70 epm, you can easily scan large quantities of documents in no time. Thanks to its single-step technology, you can capture both sides of a document in just one pass. This scanner also features a robust 50-page auto document feeder, making it easy to scan stacks of paper. It is compatible with Windows 7, 8/8.1, 10, and macOS X 10.6.8 to 10.11.x operating systems. Included with the Epson Workforce S400 is the powerful Epson ScanSmart software, which allows for easy scanning with its intuitive interface. You can preview, email, upload, and perform other tasks with your scanned documents effortless. The software also offers automatic file naming and object recognition, saving you valuable time. Number 2. Epson DS-320. The Epson DS-320 is a high-performance scanner that stands out among its competitors. With an impressive scan speed of 25 ppm/50 epm, it is the fastest in its class. Additionally, it offers color and duplex scanning, allowing you to scan both sides of a document in just one pass. Not only is the Epson DS-320 fast, but it is also reliable. It comes with a 3-year warranty and free next business day replacement, giving you peace of mind and ensuring minimal downtime. It is compatible with various operating systems including Windows 7, 8/8.1, 10, and macOS X 10.6.8, 10.12.x. One of the standout features of the Epson DS-320 is its portability. It can be powered via USB 3.0 or AC, allowing you to use it wherever you go. Its versatility is further enhanced by its 20-page automatic document feeder and front loader, which can handle various types of documents such as plastic cards, IDs, business cards, and receipts. Number 3. Epson DS-530. The Epson DS-530 is a high-speed document scanner with impressive features. It offers fast scanning speeds of 35 ppm, pages per minute, and 70 epm, images per minute. Additionally, it has the capability to scan both sides of a document in just one pass, making it efficient and time-saving. One of the key selling points of the Epson DS-530 is its reliability. It comes with a generous 3-year warranty and offers free next business day replacement, giving users peace of mind. This ensures that any issues with the scanner can be quickly resolved, minimizing downtime. Number 4. Epson DS-1630. The Epson DS-1630 offers versatile scanning capabilities, making it perfect for various scanning needs. With its auto duplex scanning feature through the Auto Document Feeder (ADF), as well as a flatbed for photo IDs, passports, and fragile items, this scanner provides convenience and flexibility. It can scan stacks of documents up to 25 pages per minute, thanks to its 50-page ADF. The DS-1630 also ensures seamless compatibility with existing software, as it includes Twain and ISIS drivers for easy integration. Additionally, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, which includes advance exchange with free next business day replacement to minimize downtime. Whether you're a startup, enterprise, SME, or small and medium-sized business, the Epson DS-1630 is a convincing choice for all your scanning needs. Number 5. Epson Workforce S55R. The Epson Workforce S55R is a powerful receipt management solution that includes receipt management software, eliminating the need for any subscription. 1. With its automatic extraction and categorization of key data from receipts, it helps to increase productivity and minimize data entry errors. 1. Additionally, it offers easy export of data to various third-party software, such as QuickBooks, Quicken, TurboTax, Excel CSV, and more. 1. This device is also the smallest and lightest in its class, weighing under 10 ounces and powered by USB 2. It enables single Page scanning in as fast as 5.5 seconds, thanks to its automatic feeding mode that accepts each new sheet as it's inserted. 3. Designed for startups, enterprises, SMEs, and small to medium-sized businesses, the Epson Workforce S55R is a convincing choice to streamline receipt management and improve efficiency.